In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Skype username on your mobile phone. Navigate to any browser of your choice. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome browser. On your address bar, type skype.com. Open skype.com, allow it to load. Click on open in your browser, as we are going to be using our mobile browser for the sake of this tutorial rather than the Skype app. Then you have to log into your Skype account. Type in your email and click on the next button. Again, type in your password. Click on sign in. It's going to ask you whether you want to stay signed in. If this is your own device and you want to stay signed in, you can click yes or no, but I will click yes since this is my device. Wait for it to load and to sign you into your Skype account. Okay, we'll be signed into our account. It's requiring you to find your contact. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now this is your dashboard. Click on the user icon on the top left. As you can see, this is our settings tab. Click on Skype profile under manage Skype profile. Then you will now find Skype name. This is your unique username that has been created for you when you create your Skype account. To copy, you simply tap on it and click on copy. And that's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting and educative tutorial. Thank you.